Let's learn how we can fix missing features in the TikTok application. So if you open the TikTok application on your iPhone or Android phone and you don't see some features or options, then follow my steps because I'll show you a couple of different solutions to this problem. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos and TikTok tutorials like this one. The first solution to this problem is to open your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. If see the update button, then click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until TikTok updates to the latest version. But maybe you updated TikTok and you still don't see the features that you need. If that's the case, then we'll have to clear the cache files and the unnecessary data that our app may have. If you didn't clear the cache files and download in the TikTok app for a long time, then maybe that's the reason why you don't see some options or features. A lot of cache files can also cause your app to crash or some other issues, so let's delete those files. You want to go over to your TikTok profile, and when you get to your profile page you'll want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. We'll open the TikTok settings, and when you get to this page you'll want to scroll a little bit down until you can see an option called Free Up Space. Open that, and then clear the cache files, and the downloads also. But if you still have problems and the features are missing in the TikTok app, then there's one more thing that we can do. Exit the TikTok application and go over to your settings. If you are an Android user, you want to open the app section, and then find TikTok. Once you find TikTok, simply delete it and reinstall the app. If you're on your iPhone, then open the General section. Then go over to the iPhone storage section, and that's gonna open a list of all the applications that we have installed on our iOS device. You want to find TikTok on this list, and when you do, click on the Offload App button. What this will do is it will delete the cache files and other unnecessary data from our application. And when the app offloads, simply reinstall it. That's gonna force update the app to the latest version, and we will have a clean and fresh installation of the app. That should fix the problem with the missing features. But if you still don't have or don't see the features, you have to keep in mind that TikTok has some geo restrictions and other limitations. Some options aren't available for certain countries or regions, so you'll have to wait a couple more days or weeks until they roll out the features for your region. And some features are only available for the iOS version of the TikTok app, and some are available for Android only. But that's about it. Those are the solutions that I have for you, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.